Hey guys, what's up? It's Sadie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the FabFitFun unboxing, which it is the spring edition, not spring editors, spring edition. I did not get any add-ons in this box, so this is going to be quick and easy. If you guys want to see what's inside my box, stay tuned. Alright guys, let's get this started. I'm going to try not to move my chair as much as I normally do. Turn the lighting up a little bit since I don't have to worry about my glasses. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm not sure if you can see it in the background. I did do a review on the Blue Blood palette. If you guys want to see that review, you can check out my next video that should be coming out shortly. Alright guys, so here we go. Let me grab my box off the floor. As you can see, I did open my box already. I'm sure you can hear it. I did have to see what was inside to see if I needed to use anything, but this is what it looks like. As per everyone else's, super vibrant for the spring. All right, so we're gonna open this up. Holy shit, it's a whole different color inside. That's what it looks like. You're gonna start with your, I think this is gonna be in the way. Okay, let me put this on the table behind me. Okay, you start with your little magazine that you normally get in every box. Show us your spring box. And you got Vanessa Williams on the front of this one. If you want, it tells you a little brief information about the products that you do get inside your box, the other choices that there were. Fix that, it's gone. Okay, so first thing, you get the $50 off HelloFresh. If anybody wants one of these, you're more than welcome to it. I have yet to try HelloFresh. I have particular eaters in my house, so I don't know how well that would go. Maybe I'll take a look because I do tend to get one of these in every box. So I'm not sure if you can use these $50 off more than one time. Oh no, it says $25 off your first 2 deliveries plus free shipping. I don't know, maybe I'll look into it, see what happens. All right, so pull that open where I popped it already. And on the top we got show me your moo-moo. Show me your mum-mum? Your moo-moo? I don't know. Let me take that off. I think this is a shirt? I don't know. Oh. It's very thin spring robe. Try this one. Ooh, nice and soft. Super comfortable. Yeah, maybe we'll leave it on for the whole thing. It's not too long. I'm not sure if you guys can, no, you can't see. It comes to about the top of my knee. It's super thin. I'm sure you can see through it. Very cute floral print on it. I'm not sure how much that one runs for. Let's see. Flip open the book. It says $84. Show me your moo-moo brie robe. That already exceeds the value that I paid for the box. Holy crap. Okay, next up we got Needles No More Baggage by Dr. Brandt. Their products are normally really good. It's an eye depuffing gel. Let me see if I can find my language. Drop the bags and everything that comes with them. Formulated with Biomedics Filmatrix technology, peptides, and botanical extracts to visibly reduce the look of under eye bags, dark circles for your rested, youthful look around the eyes. And you apply this after your moisturizers. I know I have a different one by them, I think. Let me see. But in the meantime, the value of that is $42 for one thing. Again, that is damn near the price of the box. I don't know. I don't know where mine went, but I almost want to say I got this in a different box from another company. If you do have sensitive eyes, I do not suggest putting this on. If this is what I think it is, let's take it out, see what it is. It works phenomenal. Yep, that's it. It works phenomenal. It does exactly what it says it does. I highly recommend it for the people that have the little bags under their eyes. I personally don't have black rings or any puffing. I have fine lines. So I just have to figure out my fine lines and it'll be okay. So I don't know, maybe this will do it. Let's open it up, see if it's got a different consistency. I don't know why, it seems a little different than what I had. The other one I have is orange. Do I have to open it? Yep, that's it. It's orange. I'm not sure if you guys can see. It's not the best visual, but you just kind of dab it underneath your eyes. Dab, 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 dab till you fab. Whoever made that up, you gotta say. It's very cute. So, all right. Next on the list. There's not very much in here, I have to say. We got the Wild Rose Core's Vitamin C Sleeping Facial. Absolutely love this. Just, it's very super fragrant. It's great to put on overnight. 94% natural content. It is a weightless souffle that melts instantly into your skin for intense hydration and brightening effect overnight. Powered with wild rose oil, a precious ingredient long used in Korea's herbal, whatever that word is, combined with a stabilized super vitamin C, turmeric extract, and hyaluronic acid for softer, smoother, more radiant skin by morning. Absolutely stunning, but if you don't like fragranced things, it is super fragranced. So we're gonna open it up because mine is almost empty, so we're gonna have to use it anyways. Comes in this gorgeous red jar. This is a 1.35 fluid ounces. And values at, what do we got? Where are you? $48. Hydrate, brighten your skin with this weightless souffle, which contains vitamin C. Very nice. I love these plastic lids so you can reclose it so your product doesn't dry up. Ah! Hole in one. Here we go. Yes, it's the same one. It smells wonderful. But again, if you have sensitive skin, I don't recommend it because the fragrance may cause irritation. It's kind of thick. Like they say, a souffle. It almost feels like yogurt. It's in white cream. It's definitely soft. It gives you a satiny feeling after you're done using it, and it makes you smell phenomenal. That I can say. Alrighty. Put this away so I don't knock it over. That is a glass jar, so just be careful. Okay, next up, right on top, in a plastic wrapper, we have Champagne Charcoal Scrub. I'm not sure if you can see, I know I left the view. It's kind of a rose gold tone, so it might give me an issue with the camera. Detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells, absorb excess oils, and reveal balanced and moisturized skin. So I'm gonna assume this is an all-over body scrub. Bubbles, anyone? Champagne Charcoal Scrub is a luxe and gentle body scrub formulated with charcoal to remove any dirt and buildup, leaving the skin polished, hydrated, and refreshed. Oh, yep. Apply it. Oh, it's got a seal. You know what? I'll open it for you guys. It looks black and sugary as per any exfoliator. Let's see. Can I get it open? Let's see. Is it super gritty? Yeah, actually it is. You know what? We got, I want to say Dead Sea Minerals one in one of our last boxes. And I really don't care for it. It's too oily. This one does not seem as oily, which is nice. Too oily, I don't know, it tends to get messy and it becomes quite a bit to clean up out of the shower. So if that company wants to clean my shower, feel free for it, because I'll use it any day if you're gonna clean my shower. I ended up giving that one away to a friend because I could not deal with it. But what do you want to say this smells like? Let's see. Ooh, that smells like apples and cherries and watermelon. It's a fruity scent. I was not expecting that when they said champagne. So that one values at $24. Apply evenly onto the body while gently massaging the skin and then rinse. All right, next but not last, I chose these. My boyfriend does make his own manly oils and beard oils for guys, if anybody's interested. So this will keep him from using those oils on the stuff that I cook with. And everything tends to glide out better. Plastic is not really the greatest way to go. So these value add, these are copper measuring spoons. I'm sorry if I didn't say, I'm sure you can't see it. Jayaz copper plated measuring spoons, perfect for baking, cooking. The copper plated measuring spoon set is the perfect chic addition to your kitchen. $15. Take them out. Jayadi, if I'm massacring the name, I'm sorry, is an Emmy award-winning chef with everyday Italian Jade in Italy and 7 other shows. She also is a successful restaurateur and New York Times bestselling author of 9 cookbooks and a fiction series for young readers. All right, so this is what they look like when you first get them out. These came at perfect timing too. We really needed these. You may hear him actually going in and out. He's recording for his channel, which he's doing his stuff. He's doing it outside. And I do mine in the luxuries of the home. Wow, these are gorgeous. Very, very rich and healthy and sturdy feeling. Absolutely gorgeous. They're nice and heavy. I'm curious to know if they're plated though, or if they're actual copper. It does say hand wash, so I'm gonna say maybe plated. I don't know. Oh no, it says right there. Perfect for baking, copper plated. That's why they say hand washed, so you don't scrape them and break the plating. All right, let's see what else. Oh, we got 2 more things in here, and then we're done. All right, so we got leave-in conditioner by Uwa. I'm not sure how you say it, which I probably screwed that one up too. We're obsessed with this company. Multitasking leave-in conditioner that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties. Enchanted heat protection. Oh my god, enchanted? Really? Enhanced heat protection. Mist lightly through damp hair prior to brushing. My daughter loves leave-in conditioners. It helps to tangle her hair. Sometimes I'll put a little bit into another bottle and I'll water it down and use them. Multitasking leave-in conditioner works all day. Multitasking. I don't know how it could be multitasking. It's a leave-in conditioner. But anyways, I can't wait to give this one a try. Normally we use the brioche one, so I'm curious. Wonder what it smells like. It is $26. That I do know. 26. Ooh, it's perfumey. Not sweet. It's more like, ooh, kind of like old lady perfumey. Ew. I don't know if I care for the way that smells. That's kind of gross. And this is, last but not least, we got Tallulah Purifying Face Cleanser. This isn't your ordinary cleanser. It uses the power of probiotics to gently remove dirt, impurities, makeup, while leaving the skin feeling balanced and clarified. I will take a face cleanser any day. I go through them like water. I wash my face day and night, which I highly recommend. It does help. I am obsessed with skincare. All right, so let's see what this one smells like. Again, that one is $28 if I did not say that already. So open this up. Oh, it looks clear. So we're gonna, it's clear, it's nice and thick. Oh, it's kind of light white. I don't know. Light scent. It smells better than that leave-in conditioner, that's for sure. It's kind of like a mixture of a light perfume. It smells very good. Definitely a full-size bottle. Oh, we got water, glycerin, milk protein, yogurt extract, rice protein, fruit extract. There's a lot of good stuff in here. Sativa seed oil, turmeric root extract. And the only thing that sucks is you wash a lot of this away because it's a face wash, but you should leave this, wash your skin and kind of leave it on for a minute and let the stuff sink in before you do wash it away. And I think that's it. And this messy paper. I don't know why they put this in here. Oh, you know what? I'll use this for my daughter's Easter basket. Haha! I'll make use of it again. Perfect. Yeah, that's it. All right, so now that I'm gonna rub soap in on my hands, let's see. Value, I paid $50 for this box, as I do every 3 months. This box is quarterly, just so you guys are aware. I get a lot of great products in them. For people that are just starting out, you can also get discount codes off of people, or maybe me, I don't know, I've never looked into it. Get your first box at a lower price. Okay, let's see the value of my $50 box that I paid for. We got the robe, which is super comfortable, not too thick. It's breathable, that's for sure. It's nice, which is $84 from what they're saying. Then we got the Wild Rose Brightening Sleeping Facial, which was $48. Then we got the copper measuring spoons, which were $15. We got none of those. I thought I got the necklace. Now that I think about it, I thought I got that necklace. I don't know. I could have swore I got the necklace that it says on here. That's a good question. I don't know where that went. This is what happens when I open stuff before I should. So, anyways, we left off at the cleanser, which is $28. The leave-in conditioner, which is $26. And the champagne scrub. Okay, I paid $50 for this box, and with all the items I at least have in front of me, the value of it is $225. So that is 4 times the value of what I paid, or 3. I don't know, I'm not very good at math. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed my FabFitFun unboxing. If you want, feel free, I can never say this, feel free to subscribe down below if you want. Give my video a thumbs up. You really don't have to if you don't want to. I just hope you enjoy watching my video. I love watching other YouTubers. So, I don't know, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Have a good night.